Hi. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do options algo trading via a TradingView indicator on the Dawn Broker platform. In the previous few videos, we have already seen how to do equity and futures algo trading. Compared to the options, algo trading is a little tricky. See, we will run our indicator on a spot chart, like this nifty chart. And when a trade condition triggers, the trade should get executed on a particular strike price. So, to find the nearest ATM strike price is one of the challenges. The second challenge is that, on whichever strike price we take an entry, we have to take the exit on the same strike price. So we have to store this strike price somewhere. This is another challenge. We will see how to do all this. Let's begin. First, let's see the TradingView indicator code. This is an indicator function with the name Dawn Alerts. To find out the nearest ATM strike price, I have created a library in PineScript. I'm simply importing that library here, like this. Then, we have a variable called saved strike price. As I said, we have to store the strike price upon which we take the entry trade. The exit trade has to be taken on the same strike price. Otherwise, instead of exiting an ongoing trade, a new naked opposite direction trade may execute. So this variable is for that purpose. Next, here, I have used the getATM function from my library. The option strike price library is the name of my library. And getATM is a function in that library. We have to pass two things in this function. One is the close value of the entry candle. And the second one is the gap between the strike prices. You may know that the difference between the two strike prices of Nifty is 50 points. That's why I have written 50 here. If I were trading on Bank Nifty, I would have written 100 here because the difference between the two strike prices of Bank Nifty is 100 points. So here, we get the nearest ATM price when our entry appears. Now, this entire part is of our entry trade. We are taking a buy entry when a candle's close value is greater than its open value, which means the candle is green in color. We wait for the candle to close. This last condition is important. We only take a buy trade when this saved strike price variable is empty. This logic makes sure that we are taking a new buy trade when no other trade is pending. Then, here, we have a variable called entry message. As of now, nothing is written in it. Just two single quotes are there. When our entry condition is OK, we fire an alert using this alert function. You may use the alert condition function as well. Here, we use the entry message variable. The frequency of the alert is once per bar close. So the alert will be fired only after that candle has closed. So once this alert gets fired, our trade will be executed on the Dawn platform. Once the trade gets triggered, we save the entry ATM strike price into this saved strike price variable. We will need this while exiting the trade. So this entire part is for the entry condition. Now, the exit condition part. We are exiting the buy trade when we get a red candle. For that, we have written this condition that the candle's close must be less than its open, which means the candle is red in color. We wait for the candle to close. Also, this condition is important. The saved strike price variable must not be empty. This logic makes sure that a buy entry is already running, and we can exit it. Then, here we have a variable called exit message. It is empty as of now. Only two single quotes are there. Then, here we have an alert function that uses the exit message variable. This alert will trigger our exit trade on the Dawn platform. You may use the alert condition function as well. Once the trade has exited, we empty the saved strike price variable. So this is our indicator code. We need to modify it later as we do some work on the Dawn web platform. OK. Now, log into your Dawn account. You will see such a page. Click the Orders option. Now, click the Webhooks option. First, we have to generate a webhook. A webhook is a bridge that connects the TradingView indicator to this Dawn platform. Click the Manage button. Here, select the validity of the webhook. I'm selecting 24 hours. So after 24 hours, my webhook will expire, and I will have to generate it again. You may choose your desired validity. Then, click the Generate New button. It will generate such a webhook URL for you. Copy it somewhere, we will need it later. Now, in this section, select the Options Trading tab. Then, click the Add Script button. Such a window will open. I'm going to select Nifty 50. You may search your desired script in this box. See, such data appears. Here, we have a green B sign. That means we are going to do option buying. If I click this B, it turns into a red-colored S. I will keep it B. Then here, we have Nifty written. Here is the expiry date of the latest Nifty options contract. If you want, you may select some other expiry. Then here, we have the strike price written. It is of no use to us, we are going to modify the strike price in our Pine script code. From here, you can select call or put option. From here, you may select intraday or normal. The lot number is 1. And keep this market checkbox on. OK. After all this, click the Generate JSON button. It will create such a JSON string for us. Copy it and go back to the TradingView indicator. The JSON string that we just copied was for an entry trade. So we have to paste that entire string within these two single quotes here. Like this. See, the entire string is pasted within the single quotes. Now, scroll all the way to the right side. See, here, the strike price is hard-coded. We don't want that. We want that, wherever our entry condition is triggered, the nearest ATM strike should be considered for the trade. So to do that, follow as I show here. First, remove this strike price from here. Just keep the two double quotes. Like this. Now, within those double quotes, type two single quotes. Like this. Now, within those single quotes, type two plus signs. Like this. And now, within those two plus signs, write the ATM strike price variable in which we have calculated the nearest ATM strike price from my library. See again, double quotes, then single quotes, then plus sign, and at the end our variable. OK. This part is fine now. Now, copy this entire JSON string as it is. And paste is here. Like this. Now, the entry message variable and exit message variable both contain the same JSON strings. But we need to make two changes in the exit message string. One is here. The transaction type should be capital S, instead of B, as we are going to execute a sell trade while exiting. While taking entry, it is B. And while taking exit, it is S. OK. Then scroll all the way to the right side. Then, the second change is here. Remove this ATM strike price variable from here. And type saved strike price variable. Because we do not want to calculate the ATM strike price again while exiting the trade. We want to use the same strike price that we had used while taking the entry trade. OK. Now, our code is finally ready. Let's set up the alerts now. I have added the indicator to the Nifty 1-minute chart. Click these three dots. Select the Add Alert on Dawn Alerts option. Dawn Alerts is the name of my indicator, yours might be different. In this window, do not change anything except the expiry date, if you want. In the message window, give a name to the alert. In the notifications window, select options where you want the alert to pop up. I have selected this Show Toast Notification option, so that the alert will be visible here in the browser. And then, the important and mandatory option is this webhook option. Turn this on. Paste here the webhook URL that we had copied from the Dawn portal. Finally, hit the Create button. Click this alert icon here. You can see your alert is set up. Now, we will wait for a fresh green candle to appear. Fresh means a green candle that has appeared after a red candle. See, after some time, a fresh candle appeared. And our alert got fired. Let's check on the Dawn portal. Go to the Orders section. And then select the Today option. Here I see the option Buying Trade on Nifty. See the expiry date and strike price. Lot size is 75. And the status is failed. But why? Because, before doing all this, I had withdrawn all my money from the DMAT account, so that in case something goes wrong, I don't lose any money. So, if you are new to this, still learning, or if you are afraid to actually execute a trade on real money, then you may also try this approach. Do not keep any money while you are still learning this. So that way, the trade will come from TradingView to the Dawn portal, but will be rejected by the stock exchange because of insufficient funds. Okay. While we were talking, a red bar appeared, which exited our trade. So we get an alert here. Let's check on Dawn. See, our trade got exited. Look at the strike price in both orders. It is exactly the same, 24750. But why is the strike price 24,750? Because, see here. We got the entry trade at this green bar. Its closing value is 24,771.20. The nearest ATM strike price is 24,750, which my library calculated correctly. If the closing price was 24,785 or something, the strike price would have been 24,800. So in this way, we can do options algo trading from our TradingView indicator on the Dawn trading platform. In the past few videos, we have seen how to do algo trading using a TradingView indicator. In the next few videos, we will learn how to do algo trading using a TradingView strategy. Thanks for watching.